here we are. We're building something from nothing. Let's specifically talk about the drain that is in the decking here. So we have a pool. When it rains, the water will always slope away from the pool. We don't want the water going into a pool. So the way we're handling that in this particular house, we have sort of a connection point between the stairs and the slope of the pool decking. And so what we've done, and when I say we, what I really mean, we can thank Tom and Paul and Kyle, the various people we work with handling the tile, handling the drainage, and handling the pool. We need to thank these guys for creating this system. So what we did is we determined where the water would hit, and we built a trench. And this trench slopes to the outside corner of our pool decking. And we have a drain over there, and the water will be carried to the street. So again, this trench starts out, let's just say, 3 inches. It will end up being 5 inches on the other side. The water's going to go that way. And if you ever need to clean this trench out, you can stick a hose in that trench, a very, fire hose. And a strong hose, and just clean out this system. So again, just wanted to share that because that is super cool. And that was all created because people put their heads together and made it happen.
And special thanks to the mason.
Special thanks to the mason because I'll show you how this drains. This is our pool decking. This is our masonry. This gap right here allows for water to flow down into the drain, right? So these guys are working hard putting the steps together here to show us or show you how we're draining the water. It's so good.